Today at Marble.com, we are using the CNC Waterjet machine to cut an intricately designed tree from a slab of granite. The CNC Waterjet is used to cut hard materials such as granite, marble, and even titanium. This machine uses water pressure of 30,000 to 90,000 psi to create pristine cuts without generating heat. The Waterjet can cut materials over 18 inches thick as well as cut incredibly detailed designs. For more information, please visit Marble.com, and for more videos, be sure to visit tv.marble.com.